Hi guys, it's me, Live Liv, and today I'm doing the in or out slime game. So basically how it works is I'm going to play with slime, and it looks a lot bigger on camera than what it actually is. And if you realise there's like some foam balls in, but my brother added those in for some reason. But basically how it works is I'm going to play with the slime, then I'll say something like, you can have 1 point if you like writing, and then all your points has to add up to a certain amount to continue playing. Cause there's a twist, so basically you have to have at least 3 people play this game, because this is my way of doing it, and we're doing a tournament, so we're going to have 3 rounds, and you have to have the amount of points I say to continue playing in the next round, and then you can say out with your friends who wins. So let's get started. You need to have 10 points at least to continue playing. You can have 2 points if your birthday is in May. You have to add them all up in the end. You can have 1 point if your favourite colour is green. You can have 1 point if you like marshmallows. You can have 1 point if your favourite slime is cloud, crunchy, clear or butter. You can have 2 points if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. You can have another point if you do a sport that does not include dancing. For gymnastics you can. You can have another point if you have made slime that works. One point if you have more than 1 pet. You can have another point if you like drawing. You can have another point if you like colouring in. You can have 2 points if you have been to Blackpool before. Alright, so that's the end of that round. So if you had 10 points or more, you can continue playing. Okay, so I'm going to give you some more questions. You have to have 15 points to continue playing. You can have 10 points if you have met me. You can have 1 point if you follow me on Instagram. You can have 1 point if you know how old I will be in 35 years. You can have 1 point if you know if your birthday date has a 1 in. So if it's either the 11th, if it was either the 1st, the 10th, the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 21st, 31st, 41st, you know, all those. You can have, oh sorry, that was 2 points if your birthday had a 1 in birthday date. You can have 1 point if you like mermaids more than unicorns. So you had to have 15 points there. Alright, let's move on. Right, I just have like this cute poo slime. Round 3, this is the last round. You need exactly 3 points, 13 points. You can't have less than 13 and you can't have more than 13. It needs to be exactly 13. 1 point if you have a girl cat. Another 1 point if you have a boy dog. 1 point if you have purple slime. 10 points if you have broke your leg by falling down the stairs. 2 points if you have had a fluff sandwich. 1 point if you have dressed up for Halloween last year. So, don't forget to say if you are in or out, who or like which one of your friends would, you know. But I'll just play with the slime a bit better now. So that was very hard to film. But the slime that I'm playing with now was orange, pink, blue and purple. But obviously it got mixed as I've been playing with it. And it is now like this colour. I don't really know what colour it is. But it's like a jiggly slime. And to be honest, it's like sort of clear, but not like fully clear. Yeah. So it's just like this really cute paper container. But I love this slime only because this would be brilliant slime if it wasn't crunchy. I mean, if it wasn't, you know, like it crunches so well. And the good thing about this slime is it doesn't stick to like anything. Psych! Honestly guys, I could do this all day. That failed. But yeah, make sure to subscribe because last time I checked we had 70 subscribers. Also, make sure to like this video because remember you had in this video if you wanted to get a point. 2 points. Yeah, 2 points. And also comment down below which one of your friends was in, or if you won, or yeah. If you like slime, what your favourite slime is out of cloudy, crunchy, clear, and butter. So yeah. Please, I've already said that. Love you guys so much. Bye.